Hello friends, today we are going to study Worksheet 3 Subject-Verb Agreement for class 8. Read the following. Neither of the two brothers was selected for the team. Now you see here singular verb has been used. B. Should I fill the form in black or blue ink? Either of the two is acceptable. You see either is singular verb has been used. I have seen all your paintings, each one is fantastic. Now you see everyone whom we invited has turned up. Only one of the 5 contestants is going to win the prize. Much of my homework is already done. Thanks to Metro Rail, less of my time is wasted in commuting now. Now you see words such as neither, either, each, everyone, one of the, much, little, less generally take singular verb. तो ये सभी वर्ड्स के लिए हम लोगों ने singular verb का यूज़ किया है. Now look at the following. First, I would like to none of the work was completed. None of the work. Now work is amount. तो amount जब रहे, अब work का कोई amount पता नहीं है. None of the work was completed. तो यहाँ पे was singular verb लगेगा. Now none of the strategies. अब none of the strategies नंबर को ये शो कर रहा है, इसलिए यहाँ पे have लगेगा. Have will be used here. Very simple. Similarly, a lot of energy was wasted on finding the treasure. Now a lot of books have been written on home remedies. तो बुक्स यहाँ नंबर शो कर रहा है, इसलिए यहाँ हैव लगा. यहाँ क्वांटिटी या अमाउंट शो कर रहा है, तो इसलिए यहाँ पे सिंगुलर वर्ब का इस्तेमाल हुआ. नाउ ए वैरायटी ऑफ म्यूज़िक इज़ अवेलेबल हेयर. यहाँ भी जो है नंबर का बोध नहीं हो रहा है, क्वांटिटी या अमाउंट का हो रहा है, इसलिए इज़ लगा. नाउ ए वैरायटी ऑफ म्यूज़िक एल्बम्स, यहाँ बोध हो रहा है नंबर का, सो आर लगेगा. फिर से plenty of help has been offered to the poor family. So help is showing quantity amount, so singular verb has been used. Now plenty of trees were uprooted in the storm last night. Now trees नंबर में काउंट किया जा सकता है, इसलिए यहाँ पे प्लूरल वर्ब में वर्ब का यूज़ हुआ. Some words can refer to amount, quantity as well as number. When these refer to amount, quantity, they take a singular verb, and when these words refer number, they take a plural verb. None, a lot of, a great deal of, plenty of, most of, etc. are some such words. Okay, fill in the blanks with the correct words. Now you have this exercise. Have you seen the sculptures made by him? Each one is a masterpiece. Each के साथ is singular verb आएगा. Neither of the two teams was able to score a goal. Neither के साथ भी हम लोग singular verb का इस्तेमाल करेंगे, as हम लोगों ने यहाँ रूल में देखा था. Neither, either, each, everyone, one of the, much, little, less generally take singular verb. So यहाँ you see much of the hard work of the farmers has been wasted because of the drought. Okay, a great deal of literature on the art of cooking cooking is available in the market. A lot of appreciation was showered on the singer. A lot of people a lot of के लिए a lot of people a lot of के लिए जब amount quantity है तो singular verb, अगर number है तो a lot of people के साथ हम लोग यहाँ are लगा सकते हैं. A lot of people are allergic to milk products. Very little is known of the Harappan civilization. None of the residents, अब देखिए यहाँ पे आप दोनों ही लगा सकते हैं. None of the residents were in the house when the roof collapsed. Okay. Less of paper is consumed these days because of the growing trend of working on computers. Everyone in the society has now joined hands against corruption. Everyone के साथ has लगाएंगे. Now worksheet 4, the engineer as well as his two subordinates was present in the site. Now you see the engineer यहाँ सब्जेक्ट है और इसी सब्जेक्ट के आधार पे was हम लोगों ने यूज़ किया है. फिर से देखते हैं. अंशु as well as her family is shifting to Mumbai. अंशु के आधार पे हम लोगों ने verb को यूज़ किया है. I as well as Swati am going for a picnic. I के आधार पे यहाँ पे verb डिफाइन हुआ है. The doctor with his interns has reached the operation theatre. The child with his parents is waiting outside the principal's office. When the subject of a sentence consists of two nouns or pronouns that are joined by as well as or with, the verb agrees with the first noun. तो ये फर्स्ट नाउन से अग्री करेगा, उसी को हम लगाएंगे अगर with और as well as रहे तो. Let us study some examples. The teacher as well as her students is sitting in the class. Now you see it is first noun, first subject, it is second noun, as well as has been used. तो इसके अनुसार the teacher के अनुसार ये verb लिखा जाएगा, यूज होगा. तो is sitting in the class. Okay. Richa with her friends wants to participate in the quiz. Now you see Richa with her friends, first noun, second noun, and verb is singular. Richa is singular, wants is singular. Okay. Now look at the following examples. Not only Ravi but his friends also are coming to the party. Not only Ravi. अब देखिए रवि फर्स्ट नाउन से ये फर्स्ट नाउन के आधार पे ये आर नहीं लगा है, बल्कि ये लेटर नाउन यानी कि बाद का जो नाउन है उसके आधार पे लगा है. एग्जाम्पल पढ़ते हैं फिर देखते हैं. नॉट ओनली रवि बट हिज फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो आर कमिंग टू द पार्टी. Not only the Arora family but I also am coming to the party. यहाँ पे भी सेकेंड जो नाउन है, सेकेंड सब्जेक्ट है, उसके अनुसार am का यूज़ हुआ है. Either you or Seema is going to clean the room. Neither Seema nor you are going out tonight. So you see, when the two subjects of a sentence are joined by not only but also, either or, neither nor, the verb agree with the latter subject. Not only your certificate but your marks also are important. Either of my friend or I am going to buy this book. Neither Ritu nor his friends are willing to participate. Now let us do this worksheet. Tick the correct option in the following sentences. Mr. Chopra as well as his subordinates. So फर्स्ट नाउन के आधार पे होगा तो मिस्टर चोपड़ा as well as his subordinates has been working for more than 10 hours a day. Now not only his parents but his aunt also supports. Not only but जब रहे तो यहाँ देखिए not only but also. So not only but also जब रहे तो हम लोग यहाँ पे सेकेंड जो नाउन है आंट उसके अनुसार वर्ब को चूज करेंगे. नॉट ओनली हिज पेरेंट्स बट हिज आंट ऑल्सो supports his decision. Supports will be the correct answer. Either रोहन और I, either और के साथ भी सेकेंड नाउन के आधार पे either रोहन और I am making the cake. आप देख सकते हैं either or, neither nor, the verb agrees with the later subject. So यहाँ neither Mudit nor his friends are going on the school trip. The president with his minister. Now यहाँ पे the president first noun is important here. So the president के अनुसार has लगेगा. The president with his minister, with का यूज़ हुआ है. अगर आप रूल पढ़ेंगे तो जो फर्स्ट नाउन है द प्रेसिडेंट इसके अनुसार वर्ब हम यूज़ करेंगे. द प्रेसिडेंट विथ हिज मिनिस्टर्स हैज़ रीच्ड द वेन्यू. नॉट ओनली द फ्रूट बट द लीव्स ऑफ द बनाना ट्री इज़ ऑल्सो इमेंसली यूजफुल. सेकेंड जो वर्ब है, सेकेंड जो नाउन है वो सिंगुलर है तो यहाँ पे सिंगुलर हम लोग यूज़ करेंगे. Either the professor or his students, क्या होगा either और जब लगेगा तो सेकेंड his students are going to present the thesis. Either the professor or his students are going to present the thesis. Madhu as well as I, Madhu as well as I, as well के लिए as well as जब यूज़ हो तो the verb agrees with the first noun. तो फर्स्ट नाउन यहाँ पे हम लोग यूज़ करेंगे. तो मधु as well as Madhu as well as I is anchoring the show. Madhu as well as I is anchoring the show. Seems to be wrong, but I think it's rule. Neither Indu nor Dev has met Tisa. Neither nor जब रहे तो वर्ब अग्रीज विद द लेटर सब्जेक्ट तो यहाँ पे सिंगुलर ही है. नाइदर इंदू नॉर देव हैज़ मेट तिसा. द कंटेस्टेंट्स एज वेल एज द होस्ट वर द कंटेस्टेंट्स ये फर्स्ट एज वेल एज यूज़ हुआ है. द कंटेस्टेंट्स जो है वो फर्स्ट नाउन है तो इसके अनुसार ही हम वर्ब को चूज़ करेंगे. द कंटेस्टेंट्स एज वेल एज द होस्ट वर नर्वस बिफोर द फाइनल रिजल्ट. सो आज के लिए इतना ही. टुमारो 5th वर्कशीट वी विल डू. थैंक यू.